Hey guys, once more, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating almost the same radio as last video. This is the AM only version of the big radio that I call the Monster. This one is out of a 1971 Chevelle SS, comes from Jeff in Davison, Michigan. Jeff has requested the FM conversion, which comes with a huge increase in output power if we install a new harness rather than using the original connectors, and he's also requested the Bluetooth feature. So we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. Let's turn her on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, the one strong station I get.
Military assets. In what way, Mark?
Alrighty, and we're going to use the talk radio to demonstrate the balance and fader function, so we'll need our output level meters so you can see the results of the adjustment.
Intelligence officials and experts.
Okay, front rear fader.
It's reality.
Fader adjust.
Okay, talk quickly. Rear, all the way front. Say something. God darn it. Say something. Okay, all the way front, all the way rear. Okay, gonna center him.
In these churches.
Fader set.
Okay, now we'll adjust the
left
left-right balance.
Not because he's
balance adjust.
Okay, so all the way left.
And I thought to myself,
all the way right. Say something quickly. God damn it!
Balance
say something. There we go. Oh shit!
people would bring this
Alrighty. Gotta do it again. The guy wouldn't talk enough.
Why Zelensky's doing this?
Balance adjust.
Alrighty.
It's contemptible. Don't you
All the
think
way left.
this?
All the way right. Say something.
You just
Left.
say that he's shutting
Right.
down the churches and
Left.
Oh, what a
Right.
swine!
Okay, I'm gonna center him. Say something.
That's not what he's doing.
Okay.
Balance
Balance
set.
it. Okay,
Say
and
he-
as you can see, the front rear balance is a little messed up,
He's
so I'm
giving
gonna
Aiden
readjust
cover
that.
to this group that was a
Fader adjust.
group.
Say something.
Group of misfits.
There we go.
Fader set.
Okay,
He's
that's
not giving cover to them.
that's more even. Alrighty, let's make sure the
He's not
Bluetooth
bargaining.
goes into pairing mode.
He's Jewish.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you heard that, so the Bluetooth's working properly. Let's go to FM, which, since we don't have an AM-FM switch, we switch between bands by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on the FM band, and I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test. Oh, and another thing, this is the light that normally lights when you pop in an 8-track tape, because an AM radio is not stereo, at least not regular AM radio, and so the stereo light was there to brag that it now produces stereo thanks to 8-track tapes. So I've converted this to an FM stereo light, since everybody pretty much knows if there's a tape in there. So I've converted this to an FM stereo light,
Love is
and we'll just run down the line.
and you can trust him.
All the music you love.
We are more than a car. My PPO network, so
Un SUV, no lo olvides.
Okay, so there's our FM. Let's pop in an 8-track.
Para ayudarte en tu idioma.
To get out and mix, I said that life's worth the living, so get your kicks. Get out and serve you. To the hokey dokey monkey shine. I found the answer. A fool such as I.
Blank spot there. We'll just wait for a song to start. Okay, the end of a song there. Check for crosstalk. No crosstalk, which means I'm pretty good at adjusting heads. Ready? We'll take that. Okay, this time we'll use the eject button. Boy, that's a...
15 minutes. Quick and easy.
All right, using that eject button, man, you really got to be sure to press that sucker straight in and not even a little bit downwards or even a little bit upwards, or that button's likely to break right off. That's pretty thin plastic. After more than 50 summer and winter cycles, these become very brittle and they can break pretty easily. So if you can handle pulling the tape out manually, that's great. Otherwise, be very careful using the eject button. Okay, let's test the dial light. And you can see them flashing on and off. This one underneath lights up the dial itself, and when you put a tape in, this one goes out, so it's not heating up your tape cartridge. So everything is in working order properly, and she's ready to go back to the customer. This may be my last video of the night. It is Saturday, It is 6 o'clock on a Saturday night, and I may not want to work too much longer. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you just see what I can do to your old ancient AM radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, aux input, which is always added free of charge. On every conversion I do, I just add the aux input as a matter of course. So, you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order and have it in your hand before calling me with questions, because all your questions are going to be answered on the work order. That's what I made it. That's how I made it. I made it so that it answers all the questions as you're filling it out. It has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time. So don't ask me how busy I am. Don't ask me how far out I am. Just choose your turn time on page 9 of the work order, and I don't even discuss turn times. That's what page 9 of the work order is for. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Jeff, for your business all the way from Davidson, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.